In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Perplexity search engine effectively. Whether you're new to this tool or simply looking to enhance your skills, understanding how to navigate and use Perplexity can make your search experience significantly more efficient and rewarding. So let's dive right into this process. First, begin by navigating to the Perplexity homepage. You'll want to open your browser and enter the Perplexity URL. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, once you've arrived on their homepage, you'll notice it's straightforward and cleanly designed, aimed at making your search journey smooth and user-friendly. Now, the focal point you're looking for is the search query box. It's generally located prominently on the page, a clear invitation for you to begin your search journey. Once you've located the query box, it's time to enter your prompt. Think about the information you're seeking or the question you have in mind. Whether it's a simple fact, a complex question, or something you're curious about, you should aim to be as clear and specific as possible. This helps the search engine understand precisely what you're looking for, ensuring that the results returned are as relevant and accurate as possible. So take a moment to consider the wording of your query before you type it in. Now that you've carefully crafted your question or prompt, go ahead and type it into the search box. Once your query is ready, you have two simple options to submit it. You can press enter on your keyboard, which is a quick and easy way to launch your search. Alternatively, you can click on the search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass, next to the search box. Either of these actions will trigger the search process. As soon as you submit your question, Perplexity automatically creates a new search thread for your query. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your search results displayed, offering a mix of relevant sources and information that address your query. The results are presented in a way that is designed to make them easy to browse, so you can quickly locate the pieces of information that are most useful to you. By understanding how to navigate the Perplexity search engine and properly input your queries, you can significantly enhance your search efficiency. Remember, the key is to be specific and clear with your prompts, enabling the tool to deliver the most accurate and helpful results for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Perplexity in your future searches.